Hey there! Laura and Marvin of the Beninson team at Keller Williams Collective want to welcome you to Newtown Woods. Are you ready for a new chapter in your life? Imagine living in a serene, picturesque community designed just for folks like you. Welcome to Newtown Woods, a 55-plus community nestled in the heart of Newtown, Connecticut. Newtown is a charming small town located in Fairfield County, about 60 miles from the hustle and bustle of New York City. It's the perfect blend of tranquility and accessibility. Newtown is a gem in southwestern Connecticut. This quaint town is traversed by Interstate 84, US Routes 6 and 302, and Connecticut Routes 25 and 34. With its sprawling 38,644 acres or 60.38 square miles, Newtown is the fifth largest town in Connecticut by area. Living in Newtown Woods means you're not just moving to a new home, you're becoming part of a vibrant, welcoming community. With its stunning landscapes, rich history and strong sense of community, Newtown is truly a special place to call home. Newtown Woods offers fantastic amenities like a clubhouse, fitness center and walking trails. Additional amenities include an outdoor pool, aerobics and dance studio, card room, arts and crafts studio, bocce ball courts, and a demonstration kitchen. Residents can also enjoy an outdoor patio, billiards room, steam room, sauna, multi-purpose/meeting rooms, and a bar. Styles range from townhomes to mid-rise buildings with elevators for easy access. So, if you're looking for a peaceful, engaging place to enjoy, come explore Newtown Woods. It's more than just a place to live, it's a place to thrive. We hope to see you soon in Newtown Woods. For more information, please contact Laura and Marvin at 203-733-0147 or email marvinb@kw.com. Visit our website, www.ct55plus.com. Keller Williams Collective is located at 404 Main Street, Ridgefield, Connecticut. CT license Rev.0755718.